A very good morning to the students of class UKG. Welcome to the EVS classes once again. So in the previous classes, students, we have done the chapter number 6. And this is the third part of chapter number 6. We have in the first part discussed regarding the chapter, that is the explanation of the chapter we have done. In that explanation, we have talked about the food and why the food is important for us. So the definition of the food was what? Food basically gives us energy and it also helps us to work as well as play. Okay. So it also helps us to grow. So these were the basic things for the food, and we have understood why we need the food. Besides this, we have read also about the food which has been called by different name, or the meals which has been called by the different name. Okay. So we usually take 3 meals in a day, isn't it? One is your breakfast, the other is your lunch, the third is your dinner. In the breakfast, generally we take what? We take bread, we take omelette, we also take chapatis, we take vegetables, and we do take milk if you are a children's, and for the seniors we can take juice. Okay, these will keep us light throughout the day. In the second meal, we take lunch. So lunch is known as the food that we take in the daytime. Okay. So what is basically the food which we take in the daytime? Then that is your rice, dal, or either your chapati, your vegetables, your salad. Okay. So these are the lunch items which we take. Then the third item which we take is our dinner, the last supper of the day. And in this we take basically rice, dal, your vegetables, your salad, and then a bit if you want to take a ball of rice, or at the end of the meal then you can have a desserts. Okay, so these are the things basically we consume at the 3 meals and at the different time. Besides this, in the knowledge quencher, they have given you what is a balanced diet. So I have told in the previous class, having any kind of a food is just not enough. In order to remain healthy and keep yourself fit and fine, and so that you're not facing with any kind of malnourishment, what is the food which is required? Then balanced food, a balanced diet is important, and under this balanced diet, everything needs to be countable. That is a bit of your carbohydrate, your vitamins, your minerals. Okay, so these are the things which is needed in a complete whole to make you enrich as well as to make you fit. And in the previous second video, I have discussed about some of the hard words and the word meaning. The hard words I told you, first read it out and then you write down thrice in a proper order in your 4-line copy in this way. Okay. So first the monogram is here. After the chapter number, name and the hard words, you will read it out. So the first hard word which I have given you is your energy. The second is your work. The third is your diet. The fourth is your balance. The fifth is your breakfast. The sixth is your lunch. And the seventh is your dinner. Okay. So beside this, there was some word meaning also which I have given on the board. So firstly, you need to read it down. Energy means urja, meal means bhojan, essential means avashyak, items means vastu, contains means samil karna, morning means subah, afternoon means dopahar, night means raat, and breakfast means nasta. Okay, this completes your work of your hard words and word meaning. Since it is your one copy only, so the entire hard word and word meaning will be in the same copy. Now today we are going to do some questions which has been given in the book, which is in the blue color here. They have mentioned. The question is, what gives us energy to work and play? And the second question is, what is the food that we have in the morning call? And the third is, how many meals do we generally have in a day? Okay, so let's give an answer to these questions. The questions I've already written on the board as usual, and the answer I'll be writing down in front of you. Okay. So the first question, let's read it out. What gives us energy to work and play? So student, what gives us energy to work and play? Certainly, it is the food. Okay, so how will we write? We will write in your 4-line copy, that is food gives us energy. Food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, so this is your first answer. Now the second question, they are asking you, what is the food that we have in the morning called? So सुबह वाली जो फूड हम खाते हैं या मील्स जो खाते हैं उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? So we will write down the food that we have in the morning is called breakfast. The food that we have in the morning is called, how do we spell the spelling of breakfast? I have given it the hard words. So it is B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T first. Okay, and keep a full stop after completing the sentence. The first letter to be started with the capital letter which I have written here, and the last one should be ended by the full stop. Now what is the third question? Let's see. How many meals do we have generally in a day? So हम कितने meals खाते हैं बच्चे दिन भर में? Yes, of course, 3 meals in a day. Okay, so how do we write? Generally की स्पेलिंग भी मैंने लिख के दिया हार्ड नोट्स में, GENERALLY. Okay, generally we have 3 meals in a day. Okay, अब वो 3 मील क्या है? Yes, breakfast, lunch as well as dinner. Okay, so now draw the line. After every answer, you have to draw the line using your scale. This is your scale. Use your scale and then draw the line. So let's see once again what we have written it on the board. We'll read out together. You also read out as I read it out. Okay. What gives us energy to work and play? Then the answer will be food gives us energy to work and play. Okay. Now question number 2, what is the food that we have in the morning called? Definitely the food that we have in the morning is called breakfast. Okay. So now the third question, how many meals do we have generally in a day? So generally we have 3 meals in a day. One is your breakfast, the other is your lunch, and the third one is your dinner. In this way we have completed the entire chapter, and after that I have given one picture. It needs to be drawn by you in a beautiful way, and under that you will write down tick eatables which are good for our health. Remember the project work which we have discussed in the previous lecture. The project work, कौन सा हमारे लिए सही है and which one is wrong, उसे हमें क्या करना है? उसे हमें जो पिक्चर्स हम लोगों ने बात किया था प्रोजेक्ट वर्क में, उसी प्रोजेक्ट वर्क का पिक्चर मैंने इसे बनाया है, और इसमें हम लोगों को क्या करना होगा? हम लोगों को इस पिक्चर को बना के टिक करना है, जो हमारे लिए सही है और जो हमारे लिए गलत है उसको हम टिक नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, तो जैसे कि लिए कौन कौन सा पिक्चर में सही है? दूध हमें पीना है, ग्रेप्स वेजिटेबल्स खाना है, जूस पीना है, राइस पीना है, इन सभी को बना के हम टिक कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो अगला वीक हम कुछ सेफ्टी मेजर्स भी पढ़ लेंगे। 2 सेफ्टी मेजर्स ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है, दैट इज सेफ्टी मेजर्स प्रैक्टिस एट होम एंड सेफ्टी मेजर्स प्रैक्टिस एट स्कूल। ये 2 पढ़ा है। और उसके बाद हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा है, गुड हैबिट्स भी पढ़ी है, जो कि हम लोग घर पे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, है ना। जैसे कि वी शुड ग्रीट एवरीवन इन द मॉर्निंग, मैंने PDF में लिख के दिया है। ये सारा चीज़ तो हम लोग ने देख लिया है। अब एक और गुड हैबिट्स हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, जो कि हम लोग अगली क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। तो एक्स्ट्रा में हमने क्या पढ़ा, प्रेजिम पढ़ा। उसके बाद हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा, सेफ्टी मेजर्स पढ़ा एट होम एंड एट स्कूल, ओके, एट होम एंड एट स्कूल। और दूसरा हम लोगों ने नॉट एट स्कूल, एट रोड, ओके। और तीसरा हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा, गुड हैबिट्स एट होम, ओके। अब गुड हैबिट्स इन स्कूल भी देख लेंगे अगली क्लास में। तब तक आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ सुरक्षित रहे, घर पे रहे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।